So let's say you have a picture here, and you want your background to be in a particular color. So format shape. In the shape options, fill. Right now it's in blue color. Choose this eyedropper. Say you want this color here. There. And you can also change this text colors here. Say you want this sort of blue here. Or this sort of brown there. So that's tip number 1. Let's do tip number 2. How to know RGB of a color. Say you want this color as your wall finish. You can give the RGB of the color to your paint vendor. So just right click this rectangle here. In the color, there's more colors here. Just click on this and you can see the value of the red, green, and blue. So these are the RGB. You will give your paint vendor this 255, 162, and 34 RGB colors. Tip number 3. How to have a consistent background for some of your pages. As you can see, when you add new slide, it's in white background, but say you want all this to be in this color. So let's take out the line first. Okay. So you want this orange color on all your backgrounds. So just copy this. On the View tab, Slide Master, click on that. On the main Slide Master, click on that. And you just paste that background color. Always put it in send to back. So close it. So every time you add new slide, it's in orange. So you want this photo to also be consistent with all your page. Space it there. Put it in your location that you want. Close. There. This one, once you take out this there. So let's say you want to add another page but not in this orange color. So go to View, Slide Master. You would want to add another, so right click here. You want to duplicate this Slide Master there. Say you want this not on a color, but let's use this one. Let's format this. Say something like this. close it. So you want to add new slide, but not on a orange background. So right click there on the layout, choose the one that you did there. So if you want this background, simply duplicate it. If you want this, simply duplicate it. You can drag the locations of each there. Say you want to add text here, a consistent text to all your background. Again, on view, slide master, on the main slide, home, insert, text box, on slide master to close. There, you can see the text there. So you want this exact text here to appear on your other slides. Simply copy that, Control C, Control V there. So all of your slides will have the consistent "Thank you for watching" text. Say you want just a white background. Again, on view, slide master, duplicate this, or let's try insert slide master. There. It's the default white background. So close, new slide, then choose that white background there. Again, if you want to have that consistent picture and the text there, simply go to view, copy that text and that photo, Control C. Go to the main slide, Control V. There. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.